this assessment asks us to modify the line angle drawing to include all lone pairs. I've redrawn the structure here so we don't have to worry about that weatherman effect and struggling with that. But keep in mind, when we look at the structure here, it shows all non-zero formal charges. And so these oxygens that are going to have the lone pairs all have a formal charge of 0. That's going to be a big clue to how many lone pairs there are. Every oxygen that has 2 bonds and is neutral will have 2 lone pairs. And so all we have to do is add those 2 lone pairs on each oxygen in the structure.